Hello everyone, I will keep updating battery replacement guides for different laptop models. You can follow me. The HP battery model for this period is NP03XL. The position of the screws for fixing the back cover is shown in the illustration. Take out the screwdriver and loosen the screws of the laptop back cover. Place the removed screws in the correct order according to their positions to avoid confusion in the future. Next, turn the laptop over to the front to proceed with the operation. Then use a small suction cup and a prying cord to separate the laptop keyboard from the rear cover clips. After inserting the pry cord, we need to release all the clips around the laptop keyboard. This will facilitate our subsequent operations. Before removing the laptop keyboard, we need to disconnect the keyboard's ribbon cable from the motherboard. They are, respectively, the top hot connection cable, the keyboard connection cable, and the power connection cable. Then carefully open and lift the laptop keyboard. Next, we need to disconnect the cable between the laptop keyboard and the laptop motherboard. Carefully open the clips of these ribbon cables and gently pull them out. Remove the laptop keyboard. The position of the screws used to fix the notebook battery is shown in the illustration. Take out the screwdriver and remove the screws that secure the laptop battery. Pull apart the ribbon cable above the laptop battery. Then use a small pry tool to pull apart the notebook battery's connector ribbon cable. Next, carefully maneuver around the ribbon cable above the laptop battery to remove it. Remove your new battery again. Please note that there is a latch on the side of the battery. Carefully insert the laptop battery, paying attention to the surrounding ribbon cables. Adjust the wiring around the four sides and carefully place the laptop battery in. Next, properly connect the ribbon cable located above the laptop battery, and fasten the buckle securely. Next, attach the screws that secure the laptop battery. Connect the laptop battery interface. Then take out the laptop keyboard and cover it with it. Pay attention to the alignment of the buckle position. Then we need to reconnect the few ribbon cables we just disconnected. Ensure that the connectors of each ribbon cable are properly aligned before insertion to avoid any accidents. Then firmly press the laptop keyboard and the latches on the back cover into place. Then take out the screwdriver and tighten the screws of the rear cover. Make sure that all the screws are tightened firmly, to prevent the notebook's back cover from becoming loose in the future. Next, let's see if the device can be powered on normally. Turn on the laptop computer. The laptop can be turned on normally. If anyone has any questions after watching, you may indicate them in the comment section. I will reply to each one individually. See you next time. Goodbye.